Welcome to Outgrow. In this quick walkthrough, we'll show you how to build a personal loan EMI calculator. First, log into your Outgrow dashboard and select Numerical Calculator as your content type. Pick a template from Outgrow's Financial Calculator pre-mades or start from scratch if you'd like complete creative control. Search the name Loan Calculator. Now move on to customization. Head on to the Layout and Design tabs to update your color theme, fonts, and logo, ensuring your calculator perfectly matches your brand identity. Then start adding your key input questions. For example, what is your home's current market value? You can use text inputs for a more user-friendly experience. Set currency prefixes to find minimum or maximum limits to guide users. Add placeholders like 10,000. After that, design your result screen. Here, display the monthly payment estimate with a short explanation like, this is the amount you'll pay each month towards your loan, including both principal and interest. You can even insert dynamic variables like R1 to show real-time EMI values. Finally, preview your calculator to test its flow and accuracy. Once satisfied, click Go Live. You can embed it on your website, share it via link, or include it in marketing campaigns. And that's it. You've successfully built your own personal loan EMI calculator with Outgrow, no coding required. Start generating quality leads and helping users make smarter loan decisions today.